you guys, and if you can't tell already, I am doing another Amazon haul. So I got a lot of stuff as usual, stuff worth over 7,600 something, and it not only includes clothes, some skincare and all, but also I have a little bit of room decor stuff. So yeah, I am super excited to show you guys everything that I got. But first, if you're new to my channel and if you like what you see so far, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button, join my YouTube family, and now without further ado, let's get started with this haul. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to talk about is something which I got a lot of questions about in my last haul, and that was how do you exactly sanitize the stuff that you got. So firstly, I get the stuff and my watchman delivers it to my place. Then we'll just keep it outside in the balcony or somewhere safe for 2 to 3 days, and then I'll use this disinfectant spray and just spray everything to like just get rid of the germs if there are any, and that is how I usually do it. Also, this thing has been sitting over here for more than like 7-8 days now. A lot of stuff is here since a long time. So yeah, this is the spray that I got from Amazon itself. I got this in a pack of 2. It's tri-active disinfectant spray. It's by Piramal, and yeah, it doesn't smell. I have noticed a lot of disinfectant spray smells bad. This kind of smells okay-ish. It's not that bad. It's kind of like manageable. So yeah, I don't mind that, because you guys know if there's any strong smell, I'll instantly fall sick. So yeah, I have to make sure about that as well. Next, let's start opening the packages. It's something that I have already shown in my previous haul as well, but we cannot get enough of it. It's getting over very quick, so I just thought I'll stock up on it again. Like literally, if this goes out of stock, it's because of me. So it's the pack of Sunfeast Farmlight biscuits. You get like 3 packets in this. One is the oats and almond one, oats and raisin, and then oats and chocolate. Oats and chocolate is my favorite, and also there's another box of that only. So there are like 4 packs of each flavor. Oh my god, I opened it wrong. Damn, I just ruined the box completely. It's something which is so not necessary in this lockdown, but I am someone who like shoots videos and also I need to be updated with the fashions, so that's why I got it. So it's those chunky white shoes, and I actually like it. Like, it's light in weight and it looks amazing. Yeah, they are so white. Oh my god, I don't even feel like wearing them outside. Like, I'll just wear them at home for shoot and stuff. Do you also do this? I don't know, let me know. But like, yeah, I am super happy with this purchase. I think if I purchased such things from Shein, it would have been like 1,500, 1,400 something for sure. So yeah, I think I got a good deal on this. The next thing I got is, oh yeah, a skincare stuff. Thank god it's packed so nicely. So this is called the Jade Roller, and it's good for your skin. Like, you can apply your lotions and everything and then just massage this on your skin. I'm wearing makeup right now, so I don't wish to use this on my face right now. And the major reason why I got this is because of this small stone that's right here. This is good for the under eye, like massaging the under eye area, and I badly need that. So I got this, and I think I got it for a decent price. Definitely I'll let you guys know if I see any difference from using this on my skin, either on my Instagram stories or my vlog. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. I should have opened the packages first only. Okay, next thing I got is kind of like a room decor stuff. It's like an organizer. So it says it's a remote control holder. Let me just open this first. So this is what it looks like, and the major reason why I got this is because I have those clear boxes that I got from Miniso to store all my jewelry and all, and I think this clear holder will match nicely with that. So just to keep like a theme going on, I got this. So I'm gonna keep my skincare stuff mostly here, some cotton pads and everything. The drawers are like adjustable, so you can like change it according to your need, and yeah, that is all. Okay, next I have this awkward package. So the first thing in this is this. It's a I don't want to open this right now itself because I don't know how to close it later on, so I'll just keep it like this, but I'll put a picture here so you guys can see. It's a wall sticker, and one of my viewer, actually, I was on a Instagram live with her, and she had those stickers that she got from Amazon, and I really liked it, so I thought, why not just give this a try? So I got it, and I'm gonna put it on my wall soon, and you guys will see it in my vlog as usual. Next thing I have is this. What is this? Oh yeah. Damn, this is so small. I didn't know the measurement of my cushions. So they are 5 pillow covers. Absolutely love the quality. It's amazing. I wish I had like small pillows like this to like actually put, but I don't. So yeah, got this, but I actually have. Oh my god, yeah, this is one. I have one. These two are looking amazing. I'll search if I can get like a bigger size in this. They are so amazing, man. I don't wish to return it. Ah! It's food. So here we have, ta-da! It's the Haldiram Son Papdi. Nothing fancy, but I am a fan of it. I am a fan of Son Papdi in general. Also, this is the 1 kg one. I should have probably gotten the 500 grams one, but like, I'll keep it. The best before date is 30th October. So, we are good, guys. We are good. I can eat this till Diwali or so. Obviously, I'm not gonna eat everything at once. This has a lot of packages inside. Let's go ahead and start opening this as well. In this, I have a bunch of face mask filter. Now, I already have a mask which I can insert the filter in. But I am also planning to make more masks, and that's why I got a lot of filters. I got like 10 of them. So this is basically 2.5 PM. So the mask that I got in my previous haul, it's a lot thick, and also with such humidity that we have in Mumbai, it's very hard to wear that. So that's why I thought I'll make like cotton mask, and in that I'll put this filter in, so it will be easier. And cotton is also like kind of breathable. Just cotton fabric for mask, I don't think that's safe enough, so that's why I got this filter to put inside that. So the next thing I got is yeast. I am planning to make bread at home now, like pav at least, because pav is something which is so rare in my area. I keep complaining about this. I need to stop. Since I am planning to make mask at home, I thought I'll get the elastics as well to like put it on the mask. The quality of the elastic isn't that great. It's like decent. I think it will work for the mask. Okay, next thing, yes, something to keep my mind sane. It's adult coloring books. I do color a lot, and my Instagram followers always keep asking me, where do you get the coloring books from? The one that I have is from a stationery store, local stationery store, but I got more from Amazon. So now those who are asking, you know where to get it from. Link is in the description. You're welcome. These books are like specially made for adults to color. It doesn't have those childish patterns. It also has nice butterflies, flowers and animals, but then they have patterns on it. So it's nice to color them all. And if you're wondering, the page is thick enough to use a sketch pen on it. Damn, love it. I think there's one more coloring book. So this is the doodle one. I got this separately. Those were like pack of 4. Like there are pack of 4s and different patterns as well. So you guys, I'll link everything down in the description box below, so you can select whatever you like to color. Absolutely love the designs on this. I can't wait to color now. So I think there are like 32 designs in this one book. Enough for you to last a month if you color every day. And the next thing I got is finally a piece of clothing item. So this is like a long maxi, like a t-shirt maxi dress. So I think it will be really comfortable to wear. And speaking of the material, it's like just t-shirt material. It has slits on the side, so it will be comfortable while walking. I can't wait to actually style this. Maybe I'll do an Instagram video on that. Okay, the next thing I got is, oh yeah, so this is actually supposed to be a gift for my friend. She just had her birthday. I like shipped most of the stuff to her place. By mistake, I shifted this to my place, so I'll give it to her when I meet her. I can't wait to do that. I don't think she'll mind if I open this right now, just to like show you guys. So it's a pendant which Hermione used in Harry Potter, and she is a big fan of Harry Potter. Even I am, but she's bigger than me. So yeah, I got this for her just to gift it to her. Next thing we have is paper foil. Wait, let me just check because it's written paper foil and I ordered for parchment paper. So let me check if it is what it is. I don't know, guys. I'm like confused. It's non-stick, it's reheatable, it's microwave and oven safe. So I think I can use this as a parchment paper. The next thing I got is shoes again. And this is so cute, like Mickey and Minnie slip-ons. Okay, they smell very plasticky right now. I think with time it will go away. So much plastic for what? So you guys must have already guessed by now what this is exactly. It's umbrella. Oh my god, look at that. It has a flower inside. Don't you like it? I really like. I'm someone who loves black umbrellas, like plain black umbrellas, but then it should have a little bit of that fancy element, and I think this is enough. And if you're wondering, the umbrella is sturdy. I don't think it will break that easily, but you guys know 3-fold umbrellas are not that long lasting, so just keep that in mind. But I absolutely love the print here. It's something different, right? They had 3 different prints, so you can select whichever one you like. The next thing we have are some shoes again. Dhwani, kitne shoes bahar to jati nahi hai tu. So this is for monsoon. Since monsoon is here and I'm not trying to go out anywhere, but just in case if I have to go grocery shopping and just here and there, then yeah, got that for exactly that thing. Next thing I got is a skincare stuff. This is the Wow apple cider vinegar foaming face wash, and it has a built-in face brush for deep cleaning. Face brush is made of silicone. Sounds fancy and I want to try it and see how it is for my dry skin. Next thing I got is shoes again. You must be wondering why do you need 2 shoes for monsoon. So my mom and my feet size are like same, so we both, you know, keep using each other's shoes and all. So yeah, she'll keep whatever she likes and I'll keep whatever I like. So that's why I got 2. So this one has like softer heel, definitely is more comfortable. The next thing we have is itne bade box mein there are just 2 things, and that's compact powder from Maybelline. So the 310 one is for me and 330 one is for my mom. Also, there's one more thing which I don't understand, that's the price difference. Both of them are the same thing, comes at same MRP, but one was cheaper than the other. That's Amazon for you. The next thing I got, oh yes, I was so excited about this. I hope it fits me. Very baggy denims. Okay, to be honest, I'm kind of like falling in love with such baggy denims because of the comfort. Like they are so comfortable to wear, and also this is like high waist, so it will perfectly hide your tummy if you're bloated or something. It's perfect for those days. So if you're wondering, I got this in size 26. That is what fits me. My waist size is 26. And how can I forget about this? It has pockets, guys, like pockets on the front and back both, which can be used. The MRP is 2,400, but I got this for 800 something. Definitely love the quality, so yay, can't wait to wear them. The next thing, a skirt. Will this even fit me? Are you kidding me? I'm not this thin. So it has big buttons on the side and a slit. It's very nicely made. It has zipper, invisible zipper on the back. Absolutely love the fabric. It's very light, perfect for monsoon and summer. यार कब जाएगा ये कोरोना? मेरे को पहनने अच्छे अच्छे कपड़े. Saying actually the second last thing that I got finally, guys, it's getting over. Yes. So this is the color pencil from Camlin. It's for 100 rupees only, and obviously I wanted to color something the books with, so I got pencils. I already have crayons. Colors do make me happy, by the way, guys. It's a nice stress-free thing. The last thing I got is, oh yeah, these are butterfly stickers for your wall. So one is removed from the hole, but I think it will stick on the wall anyway because it comes with like those stickers, like double-sided tape basically. So I just got 1 pack of it. You can get 2, like there's an option to get 2, but I just wanted to try out and see how it looks in my room. It's not like real butterfly prints, so even if I'm like half asleep and if I look at this, I know it's like something that I put up on my wall and not actually a butterfly. So yeah, got that. There's like a wide variety available for this, so I'll leave everything down in the description box below, so please don't forget to check out the links in the description box below. And that's it for this haul. Oh my god, this was a huge one. I am so satisfied right now, you have no clue. I hope you guys liked this haul. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and let me know your favorite thing from this entire haul in the description box, sorry, in the comment section below. God, I've lost it. And that's it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.